Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Komal Koli, and in this session, we get familiar with control system and to introduce the classification of control system. So, first definition of control system. So, what is control system? It is an arrangement of different physical elements connected in such a manner so as to regular, direct, or command itself to achieve a certain objectives. So next is a example of control system. First is a automotive. In automotive, the directional control, that is steering, speed and acceleration control, then engine control. Next is a appliances. In home appliances, home heating, automatic washing machine, refrigerator and toaster. Next is the manufacturing industries. In manufacturing industries, robotic CNC machine centers. Last is aviation or airspace. In airspace, autopilot applications in space vehicles. Next is a classification of control system. Control system can be classified into two basic types. That is, first is open loop control system or closed loop control system. First is the open loop control system. This is the block diagram of open loop control system. A system in which the control action is totally dependent of the output of system is called as an open loop control system. This is the example of open loop control system. First is electric hand dryer. In electric hand dryer, hot air come out as long as you keep your hand under the machine, irrespective how much your hand is dried. Next is automatic washing machine. This machine runs according to the preset time, irrespective of washing is completed or not. Then next is a light switch. Light switch. In light switch, lamp glows whenever light switch is on, irrespective of light is required or not. Then the advantages of open loop control system. Simple in construction and design. Uh, Open loop control system are economical, easy to maintain. Then disadvantages of open loop control system. They are inaccurate. Uh, Next is any change in output can be corrected automatically. Second is closed loop control system. This is the block diagram of closed loop control system. A system in which the control action is somehow dependent on the output is called as a closed loop control system. Then the example of a closed loop control system, servo voltage stabilizer and automatic electric iron. Then first servo electric stabilizer, voltage controller operates depending upon output voltage of the system. And in automatic electric iron, heating elements are controlled by output temperature of the iron. Then advantages of a closed loop control system. Closed loop control system are more accurate even in the presence of non-linear linearity. Highly accurate as any error arising in corrected due to presence of feedback signals. Then disadvantages of a closed loop control system. They are costlier than open loop control system, complicated to design, and require more maintenance. So this is the all over control system and classification of control system. Thank you.